Hello, in this video I'm going to be opening this Master 410 Lockout Tagout lock. If you haven't seen these before, these are plastic locks you might see in a machine shop. They're placed on equipment that's being either maintained or repaired or for some reason isn't safe to use. And this prevents the user from using that piece of equipment like a drill press while it's getting fixed. But if for some reason the key goes missing or something like that, they're relatively easy to break open. Just break the plastic and remove. This is a 6-pin lock with some security pins. You can see here, I'm not sure if you can see, it has some ball bearings. It retains the key while the shackle's open. You close it, you can remove the key. Not sure why they have security pins in these and not in so many others. I don't know if that's a liability issue or what, but it is kind of surprising. All right. Thank you for watching.